Okay, hang on, start again. We're gonna start again.
That looks like a Winnie dog. Start again! One more for the boys.
One more for the boys.
It is down there, guys. And my tooth is wobbly. Holy. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Did you? So, today I am going to show you how to make a balloon dog with just a balloon and a pump. First, you get the balloon of the hole, you put it on this, thread it through, hold it down with your fingers, get the pump and pump. You see how it's gone like that? Hold on, guys. Wrong size balloon. So, now I'm going to show you guys how to make a balloon dog with just a balloon and a pump. First, you're going to get the hole, put it on top of the pump, hold the balloon down with 2 fingers, point it up or down, pump, and leave a little bit of the fluffy stuff at the end. Keep on. That's about good. Then you want to tie your balloon. If you can't tie it, let your mum and dad know, and then they can tie it for you. Put some there.
Okay, hang on, start again. We're gonna start again.
So, today I'm going to show you how to make a balloon dog with a balloon and just a pump. First, you get the hole, put it through on top of this, through it, grab 2 fingers on it, and pump. Start again! Guys, I'm going to show you how to make a balloon dog with just a balloon and a pump. First, you get the hole, you put it through this on here, and you pump for the 100th time. You can use a bike pump if you want, if it has that, or an AFL pump. But make sure not to go flying. I've never done that in my life, guys. I've never flown it off. Come on, I got it first. I'm gonna mix my... Please don't. A little bit more. Wait.
The dog's going too small now. It's not long enough.
I just need to do it. Pump it a little higher. This time my mom is gonna do it. I can tie it, it's just that I have to let some air out and I let too much air out. A little bit more. So my mom is doing it. I'm not even holding it and my dad is in here. You guys wanna see a magic trick? Hey you guys. Let me just walk in real quick. Move the chair out, okay? I'm gonna feel it. Have you ever seen a man run that fast? Because I'm using my hoverboard. So my mum has tied it. So now, what you want to do, don't start from this end with that there. Start from this end where the tied knot is. Make a little thingy and hold that. Make a slightly bigger one. But don't make too much of a big one, or else you won't have enough room to do your dog. Then fold that down. Grab that. Twist. I've made his head too small, guys. So, make it a little bit bigger. And make this one a little bit bigger. Fold that down. And oh, there we go. That looks like a dog so far, doesn't it? But that doesn't. It looks like a Winnie dog. Pass it down. No. Winnie, Winnie, Winnie dog. Winnie, Winnie, Winnie. So then you want to grab under the neck, but don't kill anyone like this, though. Just telling you. Then twist that. And twist one. Below it. Fold that up. Grab this here. Twist, but be careful not to pop it. Twist. A leg. Still a winky noodle doodle dog. Then you want to grab this. Twist. Put it up. Twist. Move that up there. Grab this. Push that up. Twist. And then that may look like a poodle, but it's not done yet. You see this tail? Then you want to get this in your mouth, but make sure you have to be old enough like me, because I'm 8. Grab it, get it in your mouth, and suck in. You will make that, but then you got to suck it in really hard, then it will stay. Like that. And there you have it, my friends. Now you have a poodle. So today I've put in a magic trick, and as soon as I click, I'll turn into a dog. I told you guys I've turned into a dog. How am I gonna get back? I know. If you guys leave a like and subscribe, then I'll change back. In 3, 2, 1. I'm back. Thank God. Thank you all for watching this video. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment in the comments. You guys want to get a shout out? Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and follow on Instagram. Kai Veza. Bye. Peace. Love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Did you?